Hey everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Today what we're going to be doing is taking my 2020 Hyundai Kona EV and replacing the charging port assembly that is behind the door mechanism here. That's this entire shebang. Now the reason that I am replacing it is because the lighting for this halo ring no longer works. I'm starting to get a lot of charging glitching errors. Another error being associated with this part failure is the Ford Collision Avoidance Assist System Disabled. I got this error twice for no reason, but each time all I had to do was restart the car and it would go away. And even the little charging lights over here no longer function. This is due to a common issue with Hyundai. It is a water ingress issue. If you actually look real closely in there, you can see there's water droplets behind this bad boy over there. So there's clearly water inside of where the circuitry components are. This part is covered under the 60,000 mile warranty, and of course mine happened at 61,000 miles, so I am doing it myself. This is the replacement part. It's a complete assembly. You can see it all right there. This is apparently $1,200 from Hyundai. This is a Hyundai Kia genuine part. However, I got it shipped to me directly from South Korea, and I believe this thing was only $300 from eBay. This is the part number. Now I am going to be doing some other things on the car at the same time, but I'm going to keep this video nice and concise specifically for this specific task. And for the record, if you are wondering why my bumper and paint job looks completely different than what yours does, that's because I did a whole bunch of body work and paint work on this about 3 years ago. Comparing these two charging port doors should give you an idea of how much body filling work that I actually have done in the past. But anyway, let's get to work, shall we? Look at you. Okay, with the bumper off, you can now inspect this plug, and if you can see in there, there's a bit of corrosion. That's definitely not a good sign. So what I'm going to be doing is applying some Deoxit, which is a nice anti-corrosive cleaning product, and that'll help clean those up. And when I reassemble this plug, I'm going to use some dielectric grease just for good measure. Alright. One, two, three, four. And don't make that mistake that I just made that you may have caught, which is I left the charging covers on the vehicle before I put the bumper on, and then this cable gets snagged in there. So these need to be off so that you can put that little plug in right there. And now you can see that when the charger is plugged in, the light turns green, and we also have the indicator lights going on over there, which I certainly didn't have before. So this has been a successful charge port, halo ring, door, whatever you want to call it, part replacement. I'm going to call this a win. So thanks so much for watching this video. If it was helpful to you, be sure to give it a like. Other than that, I just hope you have yourself a wonderful day. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and I will talk to you later. See you.